Your boy from Yobav'S Tech. Here today to introduce you. I think I've said already the name. You guys can say it. It's clear, right? DJI. Yeah, one of the best video camera you can have in the market for vlogging, for going on live or do your live streaming live and all those stuff, as well as taking some picture, nice picture, and it's in 4K. I think you have not guessed yet the type of camera it is, right? So it's a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I got it day before yesterday. I did not have time to do it, but I said I will unpack it today, and later on I will come back with a full video. So planning for a vacation, so I was thinking, I went to online. I said, let me try to grab a camera for my trip and make my trip memorable, so that next time, future, I can have time to have them and enjoy the present that I've been enjoy the time that I've spent in where I'm going. So while searching online, I discovered this camera. Okay. I've not seen it physically from somewhere. So I said, okay, let me go to the mall and get a look about it and see how it's working. And finally, when I saw the camera for the first time, I fell in love, deep in love, that I said, no, I'm going to get this camera. I will use it. I'll be part of those people that grab it and make use of it and give my review, my comment about this camera. You know, usually I post some video. I do the review and all those stuff for the laptops, mostly laptops. But today, let's see. We will unpack it and see what is inside, and later on I will come back with a proper video about how it went, how it was useful, is it good, what are the disadvantages of having it, or what are the manufacturer, what they did was not good. So let's dig in and I will show you. Without further ado, let's see what is inside this box. I have a travel bag, which I think it might be inside. There's another box here. Let's start with this. Yes, you know what's that? That's a pocket to pocket the camera. So mostly, if you go like Action 3, GoPro, and all those cameras, they are so well. The body is well made as if you fall, it just have maybe some scratch or something. But this camera is so sensitive with so many moving parts and all. So they need something that maybe if you are not using, you need to protect the camera, right? To avoid it keep moving and maybe broke the head or the camera, because the lens is just rotating as wherever you want it to go. So they have set this so that you can put the camera on it. Anyway, so in this big box, there's nothing, just this, okay? We go again. Okay, the baby's here, yeah. This how it comes, and you see how it's rotating. Yes, I can't keep having this camera in this way and keep moving. I think they think about it, and they decided to make this box so that when you are not using, what you have to do is just to put it inside, and here we go. Your camera is protected, easy. You can. It's just small as my hand, like the height of my hand. You see, very, yeah. Okay. So next I have this is a battery adapter. This is a battery actually, not a battery adapter, because this is a battery built-in. It's a battery built-in. But to extend the battery life and all those stuff, they get another battery which I can attach to it and make sure that I have my video done like in the day. I don't need to keep charging it. This is a tripod mounting, which also has Type-C. I have not gone through yet properly, but probably might be. Oh, yeah, and charging. So we keep it aside. We have a tripod, okay. And yes, there's the wireless mic. I believe next time in my video, I will not be using this. What's that, by the way? This Rode mic. So it will be the DJI. So whenever you see the DJI, know that I'm using my pocket, right? Because it has, anyway, I will not display all the functionality about it yet. So you got Type-C cable and some accessories. So note that it did not come like that because I haven't opened it and go through it. So reason why you see all are not protected with a plastic bag. And yeah, this for the mic. Yes, okay, that's the noise cancellation. Okay, this is a strap to put in my hand and hold the camera to avoid it to fall. Yes, I think it goes here, correct. If I'm not wrong. I will do that later. And so many manuals, again and again and again. You go through it, which I have never had time to go through those kind of things. So we go again. Let's see what's in here. Stickers, 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 stickers. Okay. So that everybody, we know I have a DJI, right? No, come on. So I have a standard pocket. No, I think it's useful. Correct, correct. It's so useful, guys. It's useful, actually. In these small bags, you see the height? It's like 15 centimeter or something like that. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, it's very small, but so useful and well designed, and all the compartments are there. You pull all in. You see all these accessories are removed from this Osmo pocketry. All came from here, as you can see. So let's go to our DJI Osmo. We will open it to switch it on. Yeah, you can power it on or here, or just rotate the camera. And the boy is in action. Here we go. You can see? Yeah, he's moving. He's moving. Yeah, correct. So there is a tracking ball here, which I can just, when I click on 3 times, the camera rotates. Guys, can you see? I hope so. So, which I can move and all those stuff. So it's quite pretty good. And here is the memory stick, mini SD card, which I will put here. And as I was saying, the battery, external battery, I can attach it to it. And the boy is here. It become now more, I can grip, like the grip become more, you can see, it's like I have more space to hold my camera and attach it to the tripod. Oh, sorry. Gorgeous, right? Correct. That's how I fall in love with this camera when I saw it the first time online. When someone was doing the video and cooking stuff and the camera was like tracking his face, doing what I was like amazing. So I will not, there's a lot of some functionality which I can tell you right now. I've watched some tutorial, and when we get the camera, the first step you're gonna do is to install the application on your mobile phone. So what I did not tell you guys, moment, I'll tell you something. So you, as you can see, it's currently on. That's my phone. So as you can see, it's currently on, it's working on. So I will, when you get the phone, when you get camera the first time, what you have to do, you get, there's a link, there's a QR code here. I believe it might be this QR code. Or initially when you power it on, this QR code will come to scan the QR code. And, oh, okay, I think I did it from this box, Yeah, yes, exactly. I got the application from here. So I just scan it and then go to the application. And from the application, I will tell you what's going to be there. Yeah, okay, open, there we can see it. So once I switch it on, once the camera is on and I open the application, it will pop up here, connect. Like, would you like to connect? Yes, I will. I will brighten my screen more. Yes, the camera is here, connect. Yes, join. Right now, you can see it's connected and it's gorgeous. Like, wherever I go, you follow me. Wherever I go, you follow me actually. You do, yeah, correct. It is. It's like, oh, boss, what do you want me to do? You get it? It's like, boss, do you want me to? Like, just ask. Oh, come on, follow me. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. No, here. No. You know, I don't need someone to be there, a photographer or whatever you call it, to be there and say, no, do this. No. I said, do this. Come on, man. And we start an argument and we will not be able to finish our shooting. Yes, that cancel that. That avoid that. And also, he has some recommendation though. When you go to the application, you click on apps, it has some recommendation which I have tried yesterday already. Well, you know what happened? I went to it, I download some video editor. And then in like less than 2 minutes, I just need to choose my picture and put it on it. It has done the amazing job for me. And I said, okay, let me share. Because last week I went out with my wife and we had some shoot because she's a kind of she like more when you go out, you dress up, you look good, you need to shoot some video. She's kind of always, whenever, even though she's at home, just at home, she keep taking pictures and all those stuff. She like keeping memories. Yes, good. That's the appropriate word. So we shoot some movies, some videos and pictures. So I did not have time to do it, to edit and then just arrange it and send it to her. So I selected all the pictures and sent it to her. So for her again to sit and do all those stuff, as soon as I get the application, I said, let me do a magic for her. I choose the pictures, I put it on it, and in a few seconds, that dude has edited my photos, put it on video, added a music to it, and sent it to my wife. She was at work. she just sent me some emoji, love emoji, like emoji. And after 30 minutes again, she sent me another love emoji. Like, oh, it's gorgeous. I was like, oh, she doesn't know what I did. I hope you are not looking at the video, but it's still your genius boy, okay? So, so I was like, oh, so is that camera can do such thing? Dude, I'm free now. I don't need to waste my time on sitting on Adobe Illustrator. No, sorry, Premiere in or Photoshop or editing my stuff or like especially in Premiere in to edit the video, like arrange the volume and all those stuff, the voice and all those. So I was like, oh, that's so good, wonderful. Anyway, getting a device, getting the software. You don't need to buy the software. They provide the software, and you have some short training video on the application, and you're good to go. So right now, I'm thinking about something. I'm like a little bit worried about how tomorrow gonna be. Look at this time. We have such technology, which they're like doing everything, favorite. Like they make your life easy, your day-to-day life easy. And that means next few years we will not be able to have to hire a photographer or get someone that will be annoying you, and then you guys will not be able to finish the shot because of what you say. Oh, dude, he will try to tell you, oh, dude, post like this. No, do like that. No, that's not good. You'll be hugging. You say no, this, and then at the end you will fight, and then you get angry. And next time you will not come anymore. When you have camera just to shoot a video, you call me and say, oh, I'm busy, dude. No, I'm sick. No, today, no hell, I'm not coming today. I'm not coming at all, and all those stuff. And you won't be able to put your creativity in, put it on video so that people can see or try to, you won't be able to express yourself actually because the guy is not there. But today you say, oh, fuck it. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, dude, you're not coming, right? It's fine. My boy is here. Your boy is there always say, oh, hello, do you want me to help you? You want me to do this? It's there. You say, follow me, he will follow you. Do this for me. Everything is like one box. So right now, I can't add more to it because I got the device 2 days ago. And that's my first time try to have a time for it and then see what it has. Allow me to go on vacation. I will come back with nice shot. I don't know if I can post some. I will try my best to post some videos and you can see what magic it has. The only thing I'm a little bit afraid of, and also the disadvantage, but for sure, that is normal because it has so many moving parts, so many, which you can see 360 rotation, camera also follow me, I have the screen that does rotate, I have to connect. So they can't make it waterproof at all, guys, don't keep it. Unless, I have an idea, okay? They will make a box, similar box, but transparent box, and put that camera inside. Like without the battery or something like that, just a box that will be waterproof and put that. You know, sometimes our mobile phone, they have some waterproof case and all those stuff, right? Then you put the device inside, okay? And it will become waterproof. So at least people can enjoy going deeper in water and all those stuff. Other than that, everything look okay. Everything wonderful in this camera. Oh my God. I have no more thing to say. Allow me to go on vacation. When I come back, we will discuss about that, okay? So here come to at the end of my video, and what I always request you guys is you want to be in track of the technology, you want to have a news, like all the news that come up for the technology, nice gadget and all those stuff, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your guys. Comment, tag them, let them follow. I will never make you guys say, no, this page is not. No, I don't like it. You'll be in track. Whenever you go to, oh, have you seen this video? Yeah, let me go check. Maybe start from your website. I've done a video or review something about it. Yeah, no, I will always give you good tips, guys. Anyway, take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.